What is mechanical hazards? According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA), medical hazards are potential dangers that can arise from the use of machinery or exposure to mechanical processes.
Continue by causes of mechanical hazard. The first one is improper design or maintenance, faulty or outdated machinery, lack of safety features like guards or interlock. The second one is operator errors, inadequate training or miss of equipment, fatigue or distraction during operation. The third one is environmental factor, poor lighting or visible in workers, slippery, uneven or touchy surface near machinery. You can see the picture that at the workplace there are some poor lighting, and that is will make a worker to get injury during the dark. The fourth one is mechanical failure, wear and tear of components, overloading machine beyond their capacity. The fifth one is lack of safeguard, missing or disabled protective barrier shield or covers, absence of emergency stop mechanism. You can see the picture that a group of workers at a workplace with no safety, it will cause some injury during the building operation. The last one is manual handling, improper lifting or handling during of material near machine, working in close proximity to moving parts. You can see the second picture that the machine that load some loading is overweight. It will causes a machine problem and get injury to the people.
Let me continue about the effect of mechanical hazards in the workplace and their impact on workers, property and operations. Firstly, mechanical hazards pose significant risk to workers, often leading to injuries such as cuts and laceration from sharp edge, crush injuries when trapped between moving parts, or even amputation caused by rotating or cutting mechanism. Secondly, repetitive motions or poor ergonomics can cause musculoskeletal disorder like strains, sprains, and back injuries, affecting workers' long-term health. Next, these hazards can result in fatalities, often stemming from high energy or unguided system. They also cause property damage, such as harm to machinery and surrounding structures due to malfunction or misuse. Other than that, production delays frequently occur due to injuries or equipment failures, which disrupt business operations. Financially, companies face mounting costs from medical expense, legal fees, and worker compensation claims, impacting their bottom line. Addressing these risks through proper training, safety protocols, and equipment maintenance is essential to create a safer work environment, protect lives, and ensure operational efficiency.
How to properly use PPE for mechanical hazard. First, hand and arm protection. First, cut resistant glove made from material like caliber or metal mesh for handling sharp tool or material. Then, impact resistant glove for protecting against crushing or pinching injuries. Third, heating resistant glove for working with hot machinery components. Second, eye and face protection. Safety goggle to protect against flying particle, dust and spark. Then, face shield for tasks involving grinding, cutting or welding where larger debris or spark are present. Next, foot protection. Steel toe boots or composite toe boots prevent injury from heavy falling object. Then, slip resistant sole to reduce the risk of falls off slippery surface. Then number 4, body protection, like apron or cut resistant cloth for tasks involving sharp edge or abrasive materials. Then hide visible clothing for work around moving equipment or in poorly lit area. Then number 5, head protection, hard hats to protect against falling object or impact stationary machinery. Then number 6, hearing protection, earplug or earmuff to protect from noise generated by machine. Then number 7, respiratory protection. If the mechanical process generates dust or fumes, dust masks or respirators may be required. Then number 8, last, specialized PPE, such as vibration reduced glove for tasks involving vibrate tools like grinding or drills.
For my part is how to prevent mechanical hazard. So first, we need to design safeguard. We need to install machine guards to ensure moving parts like gears, chains, belts, and blades are shaded with appropriate guards. Next, automatic shut-off system. We need to use sensor or interlocks that stop machines when a guard is removed or if a person is detected nearby. And last, ergonomic design. We need to design machines to minimize risk associated with repetitive strain or awkward posture. Number 2, regular maintenance. First, we need to inspect machinery, check for wear and tear on parts such as belts, bearings, and tools. Lubricate and tighten parts. We need to reduce the chances of malfunctions due to friction or loose component. And last, replace faulty parts. We need to never operate equipment with damaged component. Number 3, employee training. We need to have safety protocol. We need to train workers to recognize and avoid mechanical hazard. Emergency procedure. We need to ensure employees know how to stop machines quickly in case of an emergency. And last, correct usage. We need to emphasize the importance of using equipment as intended. Number 4, workplace organization. We need to have a clear workspace, remove unnecessary tools or objects that could interfere with machinery, mark hazard zones, use signs and barriers to keep untrained personnel away from dangerous areas, and last, proper lighting. We need to ensure the work area is well lit to reduce the chances of error. And last, number 5, is compliance with regulation. You need to follow the standards, adhere to safety regulation such as OSH in the US or any equivalent local law. And last, audit and update. We need to regularly review safety practice and update policies as needed. So by combining these measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of mechanical hazard and create a safer working environment.
In conclusion, we have shared information about mechanical hazards, including the definition, causes and effect, how to use PPE correctly for mechanical hazards, and how to prevent them. We hope our sharing gives useful knowledge to the employees watching our videos from the start until it finishes.